put the axles in, con el rear end y todo. Put the wheels on to get measurements. So I guess we measured it wrong. I redid the measurement from the stock one. I'm doing it from the inside, like right here. That way it's the same over there too. To where the saddle starts, or the perch. It gets me around like a foot. So from there to there is about a foot. I measured it on both sides. And then I come over here and then I measured it 1 foot and it lands. Cause this is where we first tacked it, like right here. And now that I did like the 1 foot, it lands like right here. So if we do the foot, so from there to there, there's the 1 foot, which is where it needs to be. So what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna grind this bitch off because it's literally like right next to it. Grind it off. I'm gonna figure out how I'm gonna do it on this side, but grind this off that way it's out of the way, and then we'll be able to tack this one on there and then weld it. We'll tack and then put the flip kit on there, and if it's good, it should be. We'll we'll weld it good. We'll do a full beat on it, a full pass. So yeah. Right now, I'm gonna just grind that one off. Try to take that one off, and then we'll tack it. Yeah, we'll see if it lines up. It should be, but it should look clean as hell. The wheels on. They don't stick out no more. Not that much. It's almost perfect. So yeah, so I'll do that real quick. Y a ver qué pasa. The perches. I did on this side. Y el otro lado on the other side también. It's all good. Now I'm gonna grind off the shock mounts, because they don't line up. So I'm gonna grind them off, and then from there, grind it off, tack weld them where they go. I'm gonna go get measurements on that one. I'm gonna tack these. AJ right now is at work, and he's the one that knows how to weld. So I'm gonna just tack them on there, so when he gets home, because he gets home earlier than I do, he could just do the full passes on it, get the saddles welded on, and then I could bolt up the flip kit, and then from there bolt it up, get the rear end pretty much on the truck, and then that'll be it. It'll be set. The diff will be in the truck already. Dang, these bitches look clean as hell. So yeah, I'm gonna grind those off. De volada al carrayo. We're this closer to having this truck good now. So yay. Alright, so it is right at there. I leveled out the rear end, so it's at 0, it's at level. Or it's at level right now, the same level as that one over there. That way you could get the level of these, like the angle, and do the same angle as these over there. So that one I have in the right location. I just gotta do the right angle and then straighten it out. So I think I measured out like what, 9 degrees. Angle 9 degrees. So right now I'm using a phone app, so I'm using the phone. Or else I will show you guys. But you would put like 9 degrees, and then I'll tilt it back or forward depending on how it is. I'll continue at 9 degrees. And then I'm gonna tack it, and then you could weld it up. Let's do it. I got those shock mounts. I'm gonna do those later. But I'm just trying to get these ones done. Degrees, look, put the angle down. You know, it was like a foot, like right on a foot from the middle of the diff. From right here to right where the perch starts. Nailed it right there on that side. Let's check this.
side's off.
It's off?
Yep.
You didn't measure it right?
No, it's good. Yeah, it's good. Billets.
Yeah, so.
Alright, now we're gonna take off the wheels. They're just gonna run 2 passes on it.
Alright, I'm gonna weld it.
Weld this bitch real quick.
Weld it up. Take the wheels off. Like that. We'll cut the bed. Put it on. It'll burn out.
Yeah.
Damn, that shit looks nice.
Yeah, that was a
Not
clean
'cause
ass
I'm on
fucking
camera.
pass.
Fuck it.
No.
Should I do it all the way?
Do it how you did it, way.
Do it how you
again. I'm your welder's helper.
Alright, bet.
I gotta clean that shit. I'll clean it. There you go. There you go. No. Yeah, you want it? Perro.
Feel like the other way. Just spins the other way.
Oh, perro. There you go. Ahí va. Hell yeah.
I don't even want to do another pass.
No, you think that's fine?
Damn, that shit looks fucking sick.
Aquí, güey, de este lado, ¿no?
I'll do a good one.
Nada más para abajo, mira, just so you could finish it right here. If you gotta start wherever you gotta start, mira, aquí nomás. If you wanna get on this other side, como tú veas, güey. So for the shots, we're doing it the same way. Ahí está pinche 0. Ya chingamos. We leveled it out to 0. Same with the one over there. Acá está 0 la way. Now we get the angle of these. It's 40 degrees. Like it should be the same.
40 exact?
Yeah. Alright, this one's 37. This one's 40 and that one's 37. Low. We're gonna do it just like that.
You grinded those bitches off?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought we had to grind them off.
No, I did it already.
Oh my god, I thought we had to grind them.
No, we're just getting the measurements. That's why I did all those other days.
I thought we had to do it again.
Weld it.
Acá para que los dos salgan.
A ver, pues tú me vas a ayudar, güey. Se te va a caer, güey. Enséñate, güey.
Fucking double view of the shit.
¿Cómo que double view?
Can you see me? Yeah.
Alright,
I
so I'm
can.
gonna lift it up, way, and I'm gonna pull it back. Line it up with these holes right here.
Which one?
There's a hole under there. You see it?
This one?
Yeah, you line that hole up with the
¿Y
one
lo
on
metes
the...
allá adentro? Nigga, you could get a new one.
Este es American Fire.
Hell yeah. Pinche Takuache.
Yes, I am.
Ah, me dio un toque.
Alright, so I'm gonna lift it up, way, and I'm gonna pull it back. Line it up with these holes right here.
Which one?
There's a hole under there. You see it?
This one?
Yeah, you line that hole up with the
¿Y
one
lo
on
metes
the...
allá adentro? Oh,
That's how you do. That's how you drop a truck from the back.
I don't want to drop a truck.
You ready, way?
Espera, hay que quitarme una chamarra. Fucking Takuache shirt.
My fucking...
Apúrate, güey. Fucking American Fighter. Nigga, you could get a new one.
Todavía tienes American Fighter todo el tiempo.
Hell yeah.
Ay, güey.
Pinche Takuache.
Ya sabes, güey.
Ah, me dio un toque.
There is that there, okay.
Acá ya está. Está, güey.
It's
That
dropped.
shit fucking lined up.
It's dropped.
I dropped the truck. My phone almost falls.
Did it line up? Yeah, güey.
This?
That
I
shit
can drop
lined
a
up?
truck.
It lined up, okay.
Hit me up for y'all's drops. $500.
It lined up, fool. This is a chulada, verga, ya me cae.
No, yo soy más chingón para los videos. Look, ¿ves?
Wait, you're recording the wrong thing. Wait. Record it vertical.
Boom.
Record it horizontal, dummy head.
¿Cómo va el
Era
proyecto?
perro,
Pa?
era pa. Ya chinga.
Ya lo quebró.
Look,
Ya
fucking, it lined up perfectly, güey. Era ya chinga, güey. Perfectly.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and it's that, not mine, but his.
Not mine, baby. Okay, wait. Lee, just be like, yes, my YouTube channel.
Yeah, it's my YouTube channel. No, salgo como en uno.
Con nada, Mari.
Con a. Oh, fuck, nigga, don't bring that up.
Wait, that shit's still on there. A ver, güey. Déjame contestarle a la... A ver, acá... Ya quedó la güey, nice and welded up. Shots lined up. Shoot mounts lined up. Está mezclado. Everything lined up. From the drop it. And paint it.
Y aquí, mis amigos, estamos usando dippy color. However
No way.
the fuck you call it.
What were you saying, güey?
Dippy color.
Dippy color?
Fuck yeah. That dippy color, cuando ya no lo quiere, he'll just peel it off.
We're not using plastic dip, güey.
Vamos a pintar los zapatos. Va a salir negro. Paint your shorts. No way, dice.
It's well,
Para que no se vea.
so it won't rust. Porque no se vea. No, sí, también.
Tenemos aquí, son las 2 de la mañana a esta hora. And we're still out here.
Pinches Billets.
Oh shit, my finger was in it. Nasty dip on point. La butt crack famosa.
Ya sabes, viejo.
Ya sabes, dice. Better cameraman than all of y'all out here. A ver. Y ahorita me va a pintar los zapatos negros también. A huevo, pa.
¿Qué tienes, güey? Hey, dude.
Hey dudes, of course.
¿No le traes, güey? Los hey, dude.
Yeah.
Esos son los que traen los tacuaches de acá, güey.
Yeah, pero tacuachando que.
¿Cómo, güey?
Tacuachando que.
¿Cómo, güey?
Tacuachando que.
¿Tacuachando, güey?
Que. Sí quema, pa.
Sí, pues.
Y que se nos hizo noche una luz, otra luz, otra luz y otra luz. Wow. I think I'm gonna make my own YouTube channel.
Do it, fool.
Subscribe to Jose
Vlog.
Vlogs.
JB
Vlogs.
Jose Vlogs, güey.
Jose 48. Now everybody has the numbers of their motor. 48. You're 48, nigga. Don't even talk.
No, that's just a fucking stick, like.
You said you were 48, no?
No. He says it's...
I was gonna buy a Corvette motor, a 7.0 from my LS7. Pero they wanted.
From LS.
Is it another 7?
But eat this from LS. It is a.
Lo que hacen los tacuaches para agarrar pintura bien.
¿Cómo está, güey? ¿Estás José? Ah, perro.
I'm gonna stop.
So now, Adrian, we gotta cut the tubs.